I'll be surprised if they last 2
I
months.
hope that she don't talk about our issues and our problems.
Yeah, that's
I've been pushing work all summer.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Donnell, and today's episode I'm going to be talking about Robin and Annie from 90 Day Fiance. And in last night's episode, you know guys, Robin took Annie to do some boxing classes. And that whole situation went downhill real fast, as we can all anticipate, right?
Yeah, that sounds
Robin and Annie introduced themselves, you know, to the instructor, and when it was Annie's turn, she's speaking in Spanish, and you know, Robin is saying off screen,
I hope that she don't talk about our issues and our problems.
they're speaking in Spanish. I hope she's not talking all of our issues and our problems and just telling them all of our business. And hold up, Robin.
90 days. You got 90 days.
How the visa goes. It's to the government. You have to get married in a town. Get married.
If you really love somebody, you go for
Hold
it.
up, Robin. Did he not just say that he hoped that she's not just talking all their business and issues? Robin, now stop. Issue at hand in their relationship has continued to be those social media
Those
pictures.
photos is just me, my kids. Yeah, if she's in it, she's in it.
Annie feels that Robin, when he is done with a relationship, that he should, bam, erase every photo of him and that individual. But Robin doesn't feel that way.
Today's bonus photo and be a good man.
He feels like that's my past and I want to keep my memories. And for him, especially if it involves pictures with his kids and his ex, he feels as though he should keep those. And she's just not having it at all. She wants him to totally erase it. Do you think that Robin has double standards? Because in this same episode, he states that he should be okay with keeping his pictures of his exes, but when Annie, on the other hand, said to him, well, then I'm just gonna go on social media and find all my old photos and upload them, he then gets kind of upset. He makes a questionable response.
Exes, you can call that and have him take you to the airport and do.
Think about that. I mean, is it okay for him to keep his photos, and if she were to put pictures out there, he's having a hissy fit over that? What do you all think about that?
seems like a lot. He's gonna have his hands full for however long that lasts.
What do you all think? Do you feel as though once you're done with a relationship that you have to get rid of all the photos? Or do you feel that when there are kids involved, that it's okay to keep some photos, you know, as memories to share with your kids? Let me know, leave comments below, let me know what you think about that, because Robin is holding firm on the fact that he wants to compromise, but he holds firmly on the fact that he realizes that those pictures are his memories for him and his kids. Just let me know in the comments what you guys think about that. Guys, that's it for today. I just wanted to pop on in and chime in on 90 Day Fiance, Robin and Annie, and let you guys give you an update, and I wanted to get your opinions, you know. Leave comments below, and remember guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap that bell so you don't miss out on more videos like this. Mwah! Ciao until next time.